Welcome and thanks for joining us on Real Investment News for your pre-market open. I'm your host, Scarlett Fakar. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is less than 80 points away from hitting 25,000 points. Futures are higher this morning. S&P 500 futures added 0.2%, and the 10-year Treasury yield was at 2.471%. Gold slightly lower today. Overnight, the MSCI Asia Pacific Index advanced 1.2%. Markets in Japan actually returned from a holiday with their biggest gains in more than a year, with the TOPIX index jumping 2.6% and the Nikkei 225 surging 3.3%. Intel and AMD folks are in very hot water as researchers suggested that there are two major flaws in computer chips which could leave a massive number of computers and smartphones vulnerable to security issues. Intel released a statement saying that, quote, many types of computing devices with many different vendors, processors, and operating systems are susceptible to these exploits, end quote. Its shares did drop 3% yesterday. AMD, on the other hand, said there is a, quote, near zero risk of exploitation for one of the security issues due to architecture differences. Its shares are actually pushing up by 4% in pre-market trading today. Tesla has once again pushed back its target for assembling 5,000 Model 3s per week, this time to the end of June. The company reported 1,550 deliveries of the flagship car in the final 3 months of 2017, which was well below analyst estimates. Shares in the company are more than 3% lower in pre-market trading today. And today, Walgreens Boots Alliance reported a 22.1% fall in quarterly profit. According to the report, the hit was affected partly by an impairment charge related to its investment in a Chinese wholesale partner. Net income attributable to Walgreens fell to $821 million. That's 81 cents per share in the first quarter ended November 30th. Net sales rose 7.9% to $30.74 billion. And of course, the U.S. crude inventories report is set to be released at 11 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. Right now, crude oil prices are surging to trade around $62 per barrel, which is a level that we have not seen since late 2014. That is your pre-market open. We'll be right back here for your market open in just a few. I'm Scarlett Fakar. See you back here in a bit.